Hi children, we have learned the alphabet. Now we are going to do vowels. There are 5 vowels and we are going to do reading. We are going to look at the sound, read the words. Now what are the vowels? Can you tell me? A, E, I, O, U. So we are going to look at the 5 letters in the alphabet. Those are vowels. Shall we look at them all, each individually? Good. Here we are. Now look. Capital letter, small letter. What is this? A, capital letter, small letter A. What's the sound of this letter? A. Ant, A. Apple, arm, A. So the first vowel A. Now next vowel is E. Capital letter E, small letter E. Egg. What's the sound of this letter? E. E. A. E. This is I, capital I, small I. E. What is the sound of I? E. And this is O, capital letter O, small letter O, and the sound is O. Good. And the last one, the fifth, the last vowel is capital letter U, small letter U. What's the sound? A. A, E, I, O, U. The 5 vowels. A, E, E, O, A. These are the 5 sounds, 5 vowels, and we're going to look at the words and say the vowels and say this, remember the sound. Shall we? All these vowels, their sounds will help you in your reading. We are reading the letters. We are listening to the sound. Next we are going to look at the words. Good. Here we are. Shall we look at our first vowel? A. The sound is A. Good. Capital letter A, small letter A. What's the sound of letter A? A. And what do we have here? Apple. A. Apple. Spell apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. What the first vowel? A. Apple. Here is the beautiful picture of an apple. When you look at an apple, you must say letter A. Vowel, first vowel. Sound A. Good. Did you enjoy the exercise? Let's look at another vowel. The same vowel, another word. Capital letter A, small letter A. Can you tell me the sound? A. Very good. A. Ant. Ant. A. Ant. A-N-T. Ant. Vowel A. A. Ant. Good. Shall we take another word? We are learning to read. What are we learning? Learning to read. Looking at the first sound on the word. Look. Here, A. What is this? Axe. A. The first vowel is here. Letter A. A. A-X-E. Axe. Capital letter, small letter. A. Sound A. Axe. Good. Let's look at another. Let's take another word in vowel sound A. Okay, now look at this. A. What sound are we working on? First vowel A. Sound A. Alphabet. What are these? These are the 26 letters in English alphabet. A to Z. Spell alphabet. A-L-P-H-A-B-E-T. Alphabet. A. Good. Let's take another word in the first vowel A. 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 What is the sound? A. What fruit is this? What fruit is this? Apricot. A. A-P-R-I-C-O-T-S. Apricots. A. First vowel A. You have the first letter here. A. A. Apricots. Very good. Shall we go to the next picture? Good. Here we are. Now we come to the second vowel, that is E. Here you have capital E, small e. A. What's the sound? A. Letter E. What is this? Eraser. Egg. E. Sound of E is A. What is this? You have eraser. You write something, you want to rub it out. Let's read. Look at this first letter. E. A. Eraser. E-R-A-S-E-R. Eraser. Let's look at another word in the second vowel E. Look. E. A. I. E-Y-E. I. I. E-Y-E-I. Good. Let's take another picture, shall we? Letter E, big and small, A. Egg. E-G-G, egg. What is this? Nice big brown egg. A. Egg. What is the first vowel here? E. Sound A. Egg. Good. Let's take another picture. What are we doing now? We are reading. Looking at the picture, looking at the word, we are learning to read and to remember the sound too. Letter, big letter E, small letter E, and here you have the small letter E. What's the sound? A. Engine. Engine. E-N-G-I-N-E. A. You have the vowel here, first beginning and the end. Engine. Let's take a new picture. Look. Letter E, vowel E, second vowel, elephant, E, sound E, elephant, elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. What is an elephant? A huge animal. So we look at the first letter and remember the sound. We are learning to read. Elephant. Let's take another picture. Look. The third vowel, I. Capital I, small I. The sound of I is E. The sound of I is E. Igloo. I-G-L-O. Igloo. What is an igloo? It's a snow house, ice house, where Eskimos live in it. It's a house made of ice blocks. Letter I. Sound E. Igloo. Good. Let's take another word in the third vowel E. Look. Letter I. Sound E. Ice cream. Ice cube. What is ice cube? You look into the fridge, Mama will show you, water becomes ice. This is an ice cube. Ice cube. I. E. Ice cube. ICECUBE. Ice cube. What happened to ice cube when you take out? It will melt like this and become water. Good. Let's take another word. Learn to read the next another word in the third vowel I. What's the sound? E. Insect. What insect is this? Cockroach. Insect. 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 The vowel I. Sound E. Insect. Where do you find the insect? At home. Anywhere in the dark places. Let's take another word and read in the third vowel I, which sound E. Look, capital letter I, small letter I, sound is E. Ice cream. ICECREAM. Ice cream. So you learn to read the word ice cream. Good. Let's go to another picture. Capital letter I, small letter I. Yes, sound E. Ink pot. What is this? Ink pot. INK. Ink pot. A bottle of ink is called ink pot. What do you do with the ink? Fill it in a pen for writing. Ink. INKPOT. Ink pot. Good. Let's take a new picture. This is the third. This is the fourth vowel. And what letters do we have here? Capital letter O and small letter O. The fourth vowel. What's the sound of O? O. O. Owl. 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 Look at the picture of an owl. It's a night bird. Look at his eyes, hardly open. O. Owl. Good. Shall we take another picture? Good. Letter O, sound O. Orange. What is this? Orange. What is an orange? It's a fruit. Okay? ORANGE. Orange. O. Orange. A juicy fruit. Yes? Orange. The color and the fruit same. The fruit has the color and the name also same. O. Orange. Let's go to the next picture. See what we have here. Letter O, sound O. Olives. What is this? The picture of olives. A very tasty fruit. Olives. O. Olives. 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 You are learning to read the word, looking at the picture, and the first vowel, the first letter of the word is the vowel O. Sound O. Good. Shall we go to another picture? Look what you have here. Letter O, what's the sound? O. Oil. Oil. What do you use the oil for? Mummy uses for cooking. You can put oil on your body, on your head. Yes, oil. O, oil. O-I-L. Oil. There are different kinds of oil. Yes, ask Mummy to show you. Shall we go to another picture? O. Sound O. Ostrich. What's an ostrich? It's a huge bird that can run fast. O. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. It's got long neck and very long legs, and the bird runs very fast. It's the biggest bird. O. Ostrich. Cut. Let's look at another picture now. This is the last vowel. The fifth vowel. What are the letters here? Capital letter U and small letter U. What's the sound? Umbrella. What's the sound of letter U? The last vowel, the fifth vowel. Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. When do you use the umbrella? To go out on a sunny day or on a rainy day? Could. Umbrella. Could. Shall we take another word? Look what we have. Uniform. When do you wear the uniform? When you go to school. Could. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Uniform. 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 When do you wear uniform? When you go to school. Should you wear a neat uniform? Yes. Uniform should be neat, clean, and you must look smart. Uniform. Let's get on with another picture. Letter U, sound Under. Where are the children sitting? They're sitting under the table. Under. U-N-D-E-R. Under. The little girl and boy, they're sitting under the table. Under. Shall we take a new picture now? Good. Here we are. Letter U. The last vowel. Sound Up. Upstairs. Upstairs. How do you go upstairs? Climb the stairway and go upstairs. Let's go upstairs to bed. Up. U-P. Up. S-T-A-I-R-S. Stairs. Upstairs. Letter U. Sound Upstairs. Good. Let's take a new picture. Look. Letter U. Sound Earn. U-R-N. Earn. This is an urn. U-R-N. Earn. Letter U. The last vowel. Sound Earn.